Today, we are unlocking 14 hidden PowerPoint hacks that transform your presentations from standard to spectacular. We are diving deep into features many professionals miss, covering dynamic effects, advanced design tricks, and powerful presentation tools. My name is Kasawa, and let's get started. Tip number 1, the transformative morph transition. Use the morph transition to create a smooth, animated change between two slides. Duplicate a slide, move or resize an object on the second slide, then apply morph transition. The object will glide to its new position. Here is the secret trick: the advanced shape-shifting. Morphing between different shapes, e.g. a circle to a square, requires a specific naming convention. Open the selection pane. This is how you're going to do it. Click the Home tab, click Select, and then Selection pane. Rename both the original shape on the first slide and the target shape on the second slide to the exact same name, starting with 2 exclamation marks, e.g. !shape1. Now, PowerPoint recognizes them as the same object, resulting in a smooth, professional shape transition. Tip number 2, instant perfect geometry. The Shift key shortcut. To draw a perfect circle, square, or a perfectly straight line that is horizontal, vertical, or 45-degree angle, hold down the Shift key while you draw to create the shape. This eliminates manual alignment and ensures symmetry. Tip number 3, sculpting new forms with merge shapes. Insert shapes by clicking Insert, then Shapes. Select the shape, e.g. circle, and do the same for a square or any other shape and overlap them. Select the overlapping shapes. The Format Shape tab will appear. Here are the merge options with 5 key effects. The first one is union. This joins everything into one single new shape. Then combine merges them but cuts out the area where they overlapped. That is the intersection. Fragment divides the shapes into separate editable pieces wherever they intersect. This is great for creating complex custom designs or pie chart slices. The intersect option keeps only the overlapping area. Subtract cuts the second shape out of the first one. Now, tip number 4, one-click background removal. Select an image, then go to the Picture Format tab and click Remove Background. PowerPoint attempts to identify the subject automatically. Use the Mark Areas to keep and Mark Areas to remove tools to draw lines on the photo, and fine-tune the selection until only the subject remains. Click Keep Changes to finish. Tip number 5, Pro-level object alignment. Select multiple objects, go to Shape Format, and use the Align tool. Example: use Align Top to instantly line up the top edge of the selected objects. Use Distribute horizontally or Distribute vertically to ensure the spacing between the objects is perfectly equal. Tip number 6, accessing premium stock media. Go to the Insert tab click Pictures, Stock Images, and then you will get access to a massive royalty-free library of high-resolution stock photos, icons that are great for minimal design, cut-out people for more personal presentations. You will also have stickers and illustrations. Tip number 7, stealing custom colors using the eyedropper and snip. The problem is, the eyedropper tool can only sample colors inside PowerPoint. Press Windows key plus Shift plus S to launch the snip and sketch tool. This works for only Windows. Capture a small screenshot of the color you want from anywhere on your desktop. That is a website, an app logo, and many other areas where you can get it. Paste the image into the PowerPoint slide. You can use Ctrl plus V. Select the object you want to color. Go to Shape Fill, click Eyedropper, and sample the color from the pasted screenshot. You can now delete the screenshot if you want. Tip number 8, creative cropping secrets. The default crop tool is rectangular, but here are the advanced options. Click the small arrow next to the crop button to find 2 key features. Crop by aspect ratio instantly locks your image into ratios like 1:1, which is a square, or 16:9, which is a wide screen. You will also find an option of crop to shape. Crop to shape transforms your photos into a specific shape like a circle, star, or speech bubble. Tip number 9, mastering layer order with the selection pane. When objects overlap, selecting or reordering them is very difficult. Use the selection pane. You will simply go to the Home tab, then click Select, and finally Selection pane. Double-click names to easily identify red circle versus blue circle. Click the eye icon to temporarily hide objects while you work on layers underneath. Drag and drop object names up or down the list. The object at the top of the list is on the topmost layer. Tip number 10, the quick copy technique. Select an object or group of objects. Hold down the Ctrl key, then click and drag the object or objects. This instantly creates a copy, allowing for rapid duplication and placement. Tip number 11, embed a focus timer. Perfect for giving audiences a short break or allocating specific time for an activity like an exercise. Go to the Home tab and then click Add-ins. Search for a timer like break time or a similar countdown tool. Once inserted, you can customize the background image and set the exact duration, then click Start. Tip number 12, built-in screen recording. Go to the Insert tab and find Screen Recording on the far right. PowerPoint temporarily minimizes, letting you select an area on your desktop to record. Once you stop recording, or pressing Windows plus Shift plus Q This is a shortcut for stopping screen recording. The video is embedded in your slide. Right-click the video and select Save Media As to save it as a standalone MP4 file for use anywhere. Tip number 13, recording a narrated presentation. Go to the slideshow tab and click Record Slideshow. This opens a full recording studio where you can record your voice narration for each slide. Record a small video feed of yourself if you have a webcam. Use digital pens and highlighters to annotate the slide as you speak. Now, this is the last tip, number 14. F1 key, which is the help menu, while in presentation mode, brings up a complete list of presentation shortcuts. And the key presenter commands include press B to instantly turn the screen black, which is great for commanding attention. Press W to instantly turn the screen white, which is useful for notes or breaks. Then press Ctrl plus P to activate the pen tool for live annotation. And there you have it. 14 powerful hidden hacks that take you from a PowerPoint beginner to a presentation pro. We've covered everything from the secret Morph Transition with double exclamation marks to sculpting your own custom graphics with merge shapes. Remember, a great presentation isn't just about the information you share. It's about how you visualize that information to keep your audience engaged. By using tools like the selection pane, the Eyedropper trick, and built-in screen recording, you're no longer just making slides. You're building a professional visual experience. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 14 hacks are you going to use in your very next presentation? Is it the focus timer or that advanced shape-shifting morph? Let me know in the comment section. I would love seeing what you guys create. If you found these tips helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps me create more deep dive tutorials just like this one. My name is Kasawa. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.